Do you love dogs? What if a dog could help you learn English? Today, we will learn easy English with amazing dogs from around the world. You will hear simple words, easy sentences, and fun facts. Hello, friends. Welcome to our English learning adventure. This video is made for A1 and A2 English learners. Learning English can be easy and fun, especially when we learn with animals that we love. In this series, we will discover many famous dogs from different countries. We will learn what they look like, where they come from, what they like to do, and many interesting facts about them. So, get ready to improve your English and meet some wonderful dogs. Let's learn English with dogs. Our first famous dog is the Golden Retriever. It is one of the most popular dogs in the world. This beautiful dog comes from Scotland. It has soft golden fur, a friendly face, and a long tail. Golden Retrievers are very kind, smart, and gentle. They love people and enjoy playing with children. They also like running, swimming, and playing fetch with a ball. Because they learn quickly, many Golden Retrievers work as guide dogs, rescue dogs, and therapy dogs. Here is an interesting fact. A Golden Retriever can remember many commands and tricks. Some of them can learn more than 100 words. They are also famous for carrying eggs or other small things very carefully without breaking them. Many families choose a Golden Retriever because it is loyal and loving. It is not just a pet. For many people, it is a best friend. Our next famous dog is the German Shepherd. It is one of the smartest and bravest dogs in the world. This amazing dog comes from Germany. It has a strong body, pointed ears, and a beautiful black and tan coat. German Shepherds are very intelligent and easy to train. They love to work and protect their family. That is why many police officers, soldiers, and rescue teams use these dogs. They can help find lost people and even save lives. Here is a fun fact. A German Shepherd has a very powerful sense of smell. It can smell things that people cannot. This special skill helps them work at airports, in the police, and during rescue missions. German Shepherds are also loyal and loving. They can be strong protectors, but they are also gentle with their families. For many people, a German Shepherd is not only a working dog, but also a true friend. Our next famous dog is the Siberian Husky. It is one of the most beautiful dogs in the world. This dog comes from Siberia, a very cold place. It has thick fur, pointed ears, and a big fluffy tail. Siberian Huskies are active and full of energy. They love to run and play. In the past, people used these dogs to pull sleds over snow and ice. They are strong and can travel long distances. Here is an interesting fact. Many Siberian Huskies have bright blue eyes. Some Huskies have brown eyes, and some even have one blue eye and one brown eye. This makes them very special. Siberian Huskies are friendly and enjoy being with people. They also like living with other dogs. They are not only hard workers, but also wonderful friends for many families. Our next famous dog is the Beagle. It is a small and very friendly dog. The Beagle comes from England. It has short legs, soft ears, and a smooth coat. Its colors are usually brown, black, and white. Beagles are very curious and active dogs. They love to explore new places and follow smells. They have a very strong sense of smell, which makes them great at tracking things. That is why people sometimes use beagles at airports to find illegal food or items. Here is an interesting fact. Beagles love food a lot. Because of this, they can sometimes become a little lazy or overweight if they eat too much. So, they need regular exercise and playtime. Beagles are also very friendly and good with children. They enjoy playing and living in families. Even though they are small, they are full of energy and happiness. Our next famous dog is the Labrador Retriever. It is one of the most popular family dogs in the world. This dog comes from Canada. It has a strong body, short, thick coat, and a big, friendly face. Labradors are very kind, smart, and easy to train. They love people very much and enjoy playing with children. They are also very active and love swimming, running, and playing fetch with balls or sticks. Here is an interesting fact. Labradors are often used as guide dogs for blind people. They also help in rescue missions and search operations because they learn commands very quickly. Labradors are very loyal and gentle. They are not only pets, but also trusted helpers and best friends for many families around the world. Our next famous dog is the poodle. It is one of the most intelligent and stylish dogs in the world. Poodles come from Germany and France, and they are known for their curly and fluffy coat. Poodles are very smart dogs. They learn tricks very fast and can understand many commands. That is why they are often seen in dog shows. They can jump, dance, and perform many fun tricks. Here is an interesting fact. A poodle's curly hair is not only beautiful, it is also useful. It helps protect them from cold water, because poodles were originally used for hunting in water. Poodles come in different sizes: standard, miniature, and toy. Even though they look fancy, they are very active, playful, and friendly. Many people love poodles because they are both smart and beautiful. Our next famous dog is the Rottweiler. It is a strong and powerful dog from Germany. It has a muscular body, short black coat, and clear brown markings on its face, chest, and legs. Rottweilers are very brave and protective. They are often used as guard dogs because they can protect homes and people. They are also very intelligent and can learn training commands quickly. Here is an interesting fact. Even though Rottweilers look very strong and serious, they can be very calm and loving with their family. They enjoy spending time with people they trust. Rottweilers need proper training and care. When they are trained well, they become loyal, confident, and very good companions. Our next famous dog is the Doberman Pinscher. It is a strong, fast, and very intelligent dog. The Doberman comes from Germany. It has a slim but muscular body, short shiny black coat, and brown markings on the face, chest, and legs. Dobermans are known for their speed and alert nature. They are often used as guard dogs because they can protect people and property very well. They are also very loyal and quickly learn training commands. Here is an interesting fact. A Doberman can live about 10 to 13 years if it is well cared for. Good food, exercise, and love can help them stay healthy and active for a long time. Even though they look strong and serious, Dobermans can be very loving with their family. They enjoy spending time with people they trust and can become very gentle companions. Our next famous dog is the Bulldog. It is a small but very strong dog. Bulldogs come from England. They have a short body, wide head, and wrinkled face. Their skin is loose and their nose is short. Bulldogs may look serious, but they are very calm and friendly. They love relaxing and spending time with their family. They are not very active dogs, but they enjoy short walks and playtime. Here is an interesting fact. Bulldogs can live about 8 to 10 years if they are well cared for. They need a cool place because they do not like very hot weather. Even though they look tough, bulldogs are very gentle and loving. Many families keep them as pets because they are quiet, sweet, and loyal. Our next famous dog is the Shih Tzu. It is a small and very cute dog. Shih Tzu comes from China and Tibet. It has a long, soft, and silky coat. Its face is round, and it has big, beautiful eyes. Shih Tzu dogs are very friendly and loving. They enjoy staying close to people and love attention. They are calm dogs and like to sit in laps and relax inside the home. Here is an interesting fact. Shih Tzu was once a royal dog in ancient China. Kings and queens used to keep them in their palaces because they looked very beautiful and elegant. Shih Tzu dogs are playful but not very active. They are perfect for families who want a small, sweet, and gentle pet. Our next famous dog is the Pomeranian. It is a very small and fluffy dog. This dog comes from Germany and Poland. It has a soft, thick coat that makes it look like a little cloud. Pomeranians are very active and smart dogs. They love to play and stay with people. Even though they are small, they have big energy and big confidence. They like to bark and tell when something is happening. Here is an interesting fact. A Pomeranian can learn tricks very fast. They enjoy attention and can even perform small tricks like sitting, jumping, and spinning. Pomeranians are very cute and friendly. They are perfect for people who love small, playful, and happy dogs. Our next famous dog is the Dalmatian. It is a very unique and beautiful dog. This dog comes from Croatia. It is famous for its white coat with black spots all over its body. Dalmatians are active and energetic dogs. They love running, playing, and staying busy. They are very strong and have a lot of stamina, so they can run for a long time without getting tired. Here is an interesting fact. Dalmatian puppies are born completely white. Their black spots appear as they grow older. This makes them very special and surprising for many people. Dalmatians are also friendly and smart. They can be good family pets if they get proper training and enough exercise every day. Our next famous dog is the German short-haired pointer. It is a strong and very active dog from Germany. It has a short, smooth coat, usually brown with white spots or patterns, and a slim, athletic body. This dog is full of energy and loves to run all day. It is very smart and learns training quickly. Hunters often use this dog because it can track smells, find birds, and work in fields for a long time. Here is an interesting fact. The German short-haired pointer has one of the highest energy levels among dog breeds. It needs a lot of exercise every day to stay happy and healthy. This dog is also friendly and loyal. It can be a great family pet, but only for people who love outdoor activities and have time to play and train it regularly. Our next famous dog is the Border Collie. It is one of the smartest dogs in the world. This dog comes from the border area between Scotland and England. It has a medium body, soft, thick coat, and very intelligent eyes. Border Collies are known for their amazing intelligence and focus. They learn commands very fast and can do many complex tricks. Farmers often use them to help control and guide sheep. Here is an interesting fact. Border Collies can understand hundreds of words and signals from humans. They are often called the genius dogs because they learn so quickly. These dogs are very active and need a lot of exercise. They love running, playing, and working. Border Collies are perfect for people who enjoy outdoor life and want a very smart companion. Our next famous dog is the Great Dane. It is one of the tallest dog breeds in the world. This dog comes from Germany. It has a very large body, long legs, and a short, smooth coat. Even though it looks very big, it often has a gentle and calm face. Great Danes are known as gentle giants. They are strong and powerful, but very friendly and calm with people. They like to stay close to their family and enjoy quiet time at home. Here is an interesting fact. A Great Dane can stand taller than a human when it stands on its back legs. Some Great Danes can grow very tall, but they are still very gentle and loving. These dogs are loyal and protective. They may look scary because of their size, but inside they are soft, calm, and very friendly companions. Our next famous dog is the Shiba Inu. It is a small but very confident dog from Japan. It has a fox-like face, small pointed ears, and a thick fluffy coat. Its colors are usually red, black, and cream. Shiba Inus are very independent and smart dogs. They like to do things in their own way. They are also clean dogs and often groom themselves like cats. Here is an interesting fact. The Shiba Inu is one of the oldest dog breeds in Japan. It is very popular on the internet because of its cute and funny expressions. Shiba Inus are playful but sometimes a little stubborn. They love their family but also enjoy their own space. That makes them very unique and special. Our next famous dog is the Chihuahua. It is one of the smallest dogs in the world. This tiny dog comes from Mexico. It has a very small body, big round eyes, and large ears compared to its head. Chihuahuas are very brave for their size. Even though they are small, they act like big dogs. They are very loyal and often stay very close to one person in the family. Here is an interesting fact. A Chihuahua can fit easily inside a small bag because of its tiny size. But they have a strong personality and are not afraid of bigger dogs. Chihuahuas are active, alert, and very cute. They are perfect for people who want a small but loving pet. Our next famous dog is the Akita Inu. It is a large and powerful dog from Japan. It has a strong body, thick double coat, and a curled tail. Its face looks calm, noble, and very intelligent. Akita Inu dogs are very loyal and protective. They are known for staying close to their family and guarding them. They are also quiet dogs and do not bark too much. Here is an interesting fact. The Akita Inu is famous for its loyalty. In Japan, there is a true story about an Akita dog named Hachiko, who waited for his owner every day for many years. Akita Inus are independent but very loving with their family. They are strong, brave, and deeply loyal companions. Our next famous dog is the Boxer. It is a medium to large-sized dog from Germany. It has a strong muscular body, short smooth coat, and a square-shaped face with a short nose. Boxers are very playful and full of energy. They love running, jumping, and playing with their family. Even as adults, they often behave like puppies because they are so fun and active. Here is an interesting fact. Boxers are very good at protecting their home, but at the same time, they are very friendly with children. That is why many families love them as pets. Boxers are smart, loyal, and very energetic dogs. They need regular exercise and love spending time with people. Our next famous dog is the Corgi. It is a small but very cute dog from Wales, United Kingdom. It has short legs, a long body, and a fluffy coat. Its ears are big and pointy, and its face always looks happy. Corgis are very active and intelligent dogs. Even though their legs are short, they can run very fast. They love to play, follow people, and stay busy all the time. Here is an interesting fact. Corgis were once used to help farmers. They would herd cows by gently biting their legs and running around them. This shows how smart and brave they are. Corgis are friendly, funny, and full of energy. Many people love them because they are small, playful, and always look like they are smiling. For more fun English learning videos with animals, don't forget to subscribe.